Hello my dear students, I hope you solve exercise 2.4 which I solved in previous video. Today we will solve exercise 2.5. Take out page number 32, exercise 2.5. Question is, only one exercise is there. Find the difference and check your answer. Find the difference and check your answer. What is question? Find the difference and check your answer. Means first you have to subtract, means you have to find the difference, and then by checking method you have to check your answer. Okay, see, let's take one example. A, here no commas are there, you have to put commas. Okay, 41,279. 41,279 minus 24,314. 24,314. Understand? Now same as usual, what I said, you have to draw columns first. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number is there, means 10,000 place up to you need columns. So write ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Or if you want, you can add one more, no doubt, no issue. Okay, leave one line for borrow. Okay, draw with soft hand with the help of scale columns proper, then write the number 41,207. which number is greater? This one. So first that one, whichever the greater number. 41 is in 1000 place, so 41,000 comma 279. Understand? Minus 24,314. Subtract. 9 minus 4, possible? Yes. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. 2 minus 1, possible? Is it possible? 2 minus 1? No, because 2 is smaller number, 3 is bigger number. We can't subtract bigger number from the smaller number. So in such a cases, what we are doing? We are borrowing. One from 1, he is a neighbor. 1 is a neighbor of 2. So 1 become 0 and this 2 become 12. Now 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, 9. Put comma. Then 0 minus 4, possible? No. So borrow from neighbor. He went to his neighbor. 4. 4 said, okay, I will give you 4 minus 1, 3, and here 0. Okay, pass 1, 10. So now possible 10 minus 4? Yes, 6. Now 3 minus 2, 1. This is the difference. What is this? This is called difference. What is this? We call it as a subtrahend. And this is minuend. Now, what is question? Find the difference. We find first difference. This is the difference 16,965. This is the difference. And check your answer. So, first you will have to find out the difference. Then draw one line like this in one page, two sides. Here write difference. Now here check your answer. Checking. How to check? I said subtrahend. If you add subtrahend plus difference, if you will get minuend, then your answer is right. So let's check. Okay. Write ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Up to 10,000. Draw the columns. Leave for carry. Borrow. Draw with the help of scale. Proper columns. Now, what to write here? Subtrahend and difference. If you add these two, you will get minuend. This is a checking method. Minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. Understand? So, what is difference? 16,965. So, write 16,965. This is what? This is the difference. Now write subtrahend. What is subtrahend? 24,314. So write plus. Don't forget. You'll have to put the sign. 24,314. Now add. What is this? This is subtrahend. Understand? Now add these two. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. 2 carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now check. 41,279 is there minuend. 41,000. See here 41,000. Here 41,000. 279 means we got minuend. This is means our answer is right. Likewise, you will have to solve this exercise 2.5 in your notebook. Understand? Okay. Again one. Shall I rub this? If you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay. Now, again I will solve one. So very easy. What is important while taking borrow? You should subtract proper, take borrow proper. Understand? It's very easy. Subtraction is very easy. But it needs mathematics, needs 100% focus. Got it? Okay. Which one? Okay, I will solve last one. F. 65,344. F. 65,344 minus 35,166. 35,166. Here also same. First find out the difference. How we are finding the difference? Same. Write down place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Draw the columns first with the help of ruler, with soft hand. Don't draw the dark lines. Understand? Okay, now write 65 is in 1000 place, so we wrote in 1000 place 65,344 minus 35,166. Now subtract. This is minuend, this is subtract. What will be the answer? Answer is, we call it as a difference. Now 4 minus 6 possible? No. What we are doing? We are borrowing from neighbor. 4 become 3. This 4 become 14. Now is it possible 14 minus 6? Yes. 14 minus 6, 8. Then 3 minus 6 possible? No. So we need borrow from the neighbor. 3 becomes 2. This 3 become 13. Now is it possible? 13 minus 6? Yes. 13 minus 6, 7. 6 plus 6, 12, plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Now 2 minus 1 possible? Yes. 2 minus 1, 1. Put comma. 5 minus 5? Yes. Property, addition property, property of 0. Right? Oh, sorry. Same number. If we subtract number from itself, the answer will always 0. The difference will be 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 2s are 6. Understand? Now we'll have to check. Here checking. Again. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Draw the place value. Then draw the column. Write. First write difference. Difference is 30,178. Right? 30,178 minus, then subtract 35,166. 35,166. Now subtraction or addition? Don't forget. It's a checking method. Addition should be there. Understand? Now add 6 plus 8 or 8 plus 6, 14. 4 carry 1. See, 6 plus 1 carry 7. 7 2s are 7 plus 7 means 7 2s are 14. 4 carry again 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 0 plus 5, 5. and 3 plus 3 6. 65,344. This is our minuend. Check. Is the minuend? This is minuend. 344, same, means our answer is right. By this way you can solve exercise 2.5. understand? Next we will see exercise 2.6 we will solve. Okay, complete these exercises, right? Write neat and clean, proper handwriting should be there, understand? Write with pencil because you are in 4th standard, no pen allowed, understand? Okay, till then, bye.